This video is for those who have a problem in understanding the dislocation motion. Okay, so dislocation. What is dislocation? It is a 2D defect. Okay, it is a 2D defect in a crystal lattice. Okay, so dislocation are of two types: edge dislocation and screw dislocation. We're gonna learn about edge dislocation in detail. Okay, so edge dislocation is represented by this symbol which I am going to draw. Okay, so this is the symbol which is used to represent this edge dislocation. So basically what happens is the movement of the dislocation, okay, is perpendicular to the line. See, the movement is rightwards. Okay, it is rightwards, while the line, you can say, is it can be horizontal or vertical, as per I'll tell you in the figure below. Okay, so I have drawn a number of atoms, and I have introduced a defect in between, as you can see. So you will find a vacant space, right? This is the vacant space, and atoms are the side atoms are attracted, they, because the space is vacant, while above this incomplete array, it is the edge, it is the dislocation. All right, now what is edge dislocation? Now this is we can say this is understood as edge dislocation, but this is not the edge dislocation. I will tell you it in a detail. This edge dislocation is 2D. Okay, I'll describe you. Now I have drawn such a cuboid figure kind of thing, and we will actually learn, okay, what is this edge dislocation. So you have seen that I am drawing planes of atom. Okay, so you have seen this similar figure, right? This defect. Okay, now the particular plane associated with the defected atoms, okay, the edge of this plane, see, this is the dislocation plane. Okay, this is a dislocation plane. Okay, and the edge of this plane, okay, this is the edge dislocation which we are talking about. Okay, this is the edge dislocation. All right, so I hope you are clear about the fact what is edge dislocation. Okay, now let us go through the movement of the edge dislocation. Okay, let us study about it. So movement of edge dislocation. Now while understanding the movement of edge dislocation, I am going to draw the atoms. Okay, the same figure. Okay, so we have the same atomic figure which we have seen in the last page. Okay, so these are the normal atoms. Okay, perfect atoms, and which are actually attracted, or which are, they are shifted towards the vacant space which has been created due to the dislocation. Okay, due to this imperfect array of atoms, right? Now we will see how the dislocation moves. So see, this diagram has been completed. Okay, now this location will move rightwards. Okay, let us assume. So what will happen? The atom at the edge dislocation, it will make bond with the atom in the adjacent array. Okay, as shown in the figure, and the this atom, right, in the adjacent array, it will break its bonds with the atom, with the upper atom in its parent array, right, as shown in the figure. In the next figure I will show you. Now this defected array has become perfect. See, the bond has been formed, right, and the uh, parent array, the its bond has been broken, because this atom has made bonds with the defected array and has break bonds with the parent array. All right, now you can see the next adjacent atomic array, perfect array. Now this will again form bond, and the atom will break its bond in the parent array with the upper atom. All right, so again you will see that this defected array has become perfect, and the the perfect array has become defected. Again the same procedure, again it will form bonds. So see, there are four layers. Okay, four adjacent I mean four atomic layers in the first figure. All right, so it will repeat the process four times. Okay, again the bond has been formed. All right, and finally, I'm sorry, the fan was too, it was actually very fast. So see, anyways, the finally what will happen, this dislocation will reach to the end. Okay, and you will find all the arrays have become perfect again, and this dislocation has reached to the end. So basically, what you will see is the imperfect array of atoms has not come to the end. Okay, the end of the end perfected array has become imperfect. Okay, thank you for watching.